Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last videos, we have learned how to create GET REST API and Next.js 14 and above using MongoDB and how to use that GET API in Next.js web page. Now we are going to create post REST API in Next.js 14 and above with using MongoDB. So in this same we are going to create this post route and try to insert information in MongoDB by using this post API. So let us start. So we have a same route.js file, remember that, in which we have created this get one. Now we have to create the post. So for that I say const post, remember that should be capital, then I say async and here I create request like this, and this is the function that we need, and here I need to export this also, post must to export it also. Now we need to create coding. So first of all I need to make a connection, so I do that, I make a connection in this function. And then I need to fetch the information from the user. User is sending the information, so I say const emp data equal to request.json, remember that. So this information I need to get in employee data, and then I need to create const employee new employee, that we need to create object of this MongoDB object. Here I need to pass emp data, remember that this employee means this connection, we create a new one, and then I need const result also, I say result, remember, and I use await also here, result equal to await, and here employee that I have created dot save, so that information I need to save. So with this object I need to save the information that we have created. We have a result. Now I need to display this result, so I say return and I say next response.json. Here I pass the result which we have, then I pass the status to 200, remember that, nothing special. So we have designed this post also, we are getting a data, we are inserting a data, we are sending a status 200. So 200 is must to pass because that means successfully inserted. So now we have to check this information. So for that I have MongoDB, and remember that if I fetch the information of ID number 6, try to fetch it, you see it will return a null, you see, because this information is not available. So if I fetch all the information, because I have designed get also, it is so all information till the ID number 5. So if I insert ID number 6, that would be available. So here I go to body, and here I need to pass ID number 6, and I need to give the different name. So I say Mr. Anil Kumar, and we can put any information here. So I say information like this, random value I am passing here as a salary. Now this is, I need to send it. If it is working, then it will insert, you see it returning the information back like this. That means it is not inserting the correct information. I need to fetch first, send it and try to see. So this information is not inserting in a proper way like this. So why? So I need to pass, I think, salary in double quote, that is the problem. Once again I need to pass this information, send it, sorry, we have to put first of all post here, then I need to send it, nothing is inserting, so we have some problem. So I try to see that. So these two information inserted, but the information which I am sending, that is not inserted. So I need to check what is the problem. So go to this code, yeah, problem is that I need to put await also here. because this information first we need to fetch, then this information will be inserted. Remember that, otherwise this information would not insert. That is a problem. So we need to put await also here. So now I try to check it. I put post again, ID number 6, and send it there. This time the record is inserted, and you can check it also by using get send it, and you see these two are wrong information that have been inserted because we are not passing this data there, but API was working, and you see that we have the data. So I can make it more secure also. Here I can put if we have information here, then it should create the information, otherwise not. So we can make more secure also, but I am not changing here any code because it make more complication, because as per the requirement you may change anything here to make it more secure, because when I am passing information, the information is not coming in this this object, that still it is inserting a default wrong information. So we can check here that if this information is available, if we have a record here, then we can insert this information here. Otherwise we can display some other status, that 205 to 505, anything which we want to display to the user, or we can pass any message also to the user that record is not inserted. That is a different one. But you see that if we are passing information and I'm using await here properly, then it will work, no problem at all. So you see one more record we can insert. So I say record number 7, and here I say Ravi Kumar. Salary I can change to anything. I say this one, random value, and I say here post, send it, and you see this information is also inserted, no problem. And we can find out by using this ID underscore EID equal to 7. So if we try to fetch, it will fetch the 7 information also, you see like this. So it's working fine. The post is also working, you see. And in next video we will learn how to use this post API in Next.js web page to insert information, because here we are inserting information by using Postman for testing API. So API is working fine. So to insert a new record, then we need to use an interface in using Next.js. So we design interface and try to insert information from the Next.js web page. So that we will see in the next video. So in this video, if you learn how to create post API using Next.js 14 and above, and we are using MongoDB for that. If you learn it, if you learn something new from this video, if you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.